Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Self and in my channel I have continued building an e-commerce site using Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. So firstly, and I want to say sorry to all of you because I can't make the video and can't release the video because my PC had ran some problem and I can make the continue path for all of you, and I uh, I'm sorry very much to all of you have support me, and now I have fixed my PC and I continue continue path. So in the previous part I have used the sorting and using Spring Boot and Thymeleaf, and now I will do the it I think it is the important part in an e-commerce project is a add to cart. So in the first I want to do that. If you click to add to cart, and the cart item will be stored in the section, and you need to log in, and you still make the order, still make the add to cart, and but now and after you log in, and then the order card and the card will belong to you, but in the Thymeleaf is quite hard for all of you, and I decide to make if you click to add to cards, will check you uh, login, and if not you redirect to the login page, and if you have login and then the card has been go to my card. So I have recognized that I don't do the login and log out and register, and because because uh, I said customer can don't need to log in to see the homepage. So now I will do the login and logout page and register page. So now in the our controller class has the get mapping the register here. So I think in the login page, in the login page in the login page I have user fragment. For user fragment I need to import the Thymeleaf to paste here. So in here the add replacement, here is script, here is a logic form now, and I will here is a top search, Here is a no. Here is a main top. Here's a main header. Oh, here is a main top. Here is a main header. And here, so I think we got it long time. I back to the project, so I have forgot, I quietly forgot. So now in the register page, so here is a login page. I think in the fragment have, and so in header I have still keep. Here I think here is Instagram box, and for the login form here, so I will put the link address của register here, and in the register page, here is a form in the auth controller. User put mapping. Here is do register public string, do I think process register here. So firstly, for the values, the model attribute, I think is customer DTO, customer. I don't create a customer DTO, so I think I use a customer. And in the register page, I must to push a model, push a customer, and attribute. Here is customer, here is a new customer. So use the model to put the customer to the into the view, and the page of view here, and get the model, and here binding the result, and the model. So firstly, in the process for register, if result does head error, so we return register page, and so we return the register. So do it for the admin. Do it for the admin DTO is the same. So in the customer here, so for the first name, size, first name mean is 3 character and mark is 15 character, and the message binding is first name should have 3 to 15 characters, and the last name is the same. I will copy, and username for the email, and the phone number I don't check. The password, and the password. So I think I will create new class is customer DTO, and customer DTO have some field like customer. Here username, last name, username, private string, password, private string, repeat password, and then for the last name and password, size mean is 5 and mark is 20 character. So password should have 5 to 20 character, and we don't need to check the repeat password because so I think so I think password. So I think we don't need to check for the password. Here user getter setter, so data, argument constructor, no argument constructor. So here in the out controller, you need to buy the customer DTO, new customer DTO, in here DTO. So if result had error, then we return the register page. So to buy result not had error, to buy the message of customer DTO here to the view, and I think to check the passwords. So if customer DTO dot get passwords does equal customer DTO dot get passwords, and then we win. So I think we will continue by So in the customer service, so I think we also need customer repository, and then I don't have the customer do the service. Here create a interface is customer service. Customer service has customer DTO, save customer DTO, then save and bind to the, so I think save the customer DTO. So in the package implement create class customer service implement. So implement customer service. So implement methods. Then at here we so customer equal create new customer, and customer dot set first name equal customer DTO dot get first name, customer dot set last name equal customer DTO dot get last name, customer dot set password equal customer DTO dot get password. So customer dot set row equal array dot at least. Here is a, so we need to write private row repository to binding the to at least a row repository dot file by name. Name here is a customer, and then we so and in here a customer save equal here adding the private customer repository equal customer repository save customer, and we return, because we return the customer DTO, so I create the new method customer DTO mapper DTO. We buy the customer, so we also use the model mapper, or we use so we return, we can use the model mapper. Here is a model map, you can see, so equal new, and then we use model map dot, so I think that's, here is a model mapper, not model map, and then we use we need to add dependency from the Maven, so you can use it and try it. So but now I have write the code for easily to manage, so I create new customer DTO equal new customer DTO, and then customer DTO dot set the first name equal customer dot get first name, customer DTO dot set last name equal customer dot get last name. So I think I will copy it and fix it. I will change here, and then customer DTO dot set username equal customer dot get username. So I think that here I don't set the username or customer yeah. So now set username equal customer dot get username, customer DTO dot get set the, so it enough, so return customer DTO here. So return mapper DTO, so we by the customer set, so method will return the customer DTO. So then in the out controller again, if the customer DTO get password equal customer DTO get repeat passwords, I think repeat password, and it's a repeat password, and then we inject the customer service in the class. So customer service dot save customer DTO. So I think customer DTO save equal, because the method save return to customer save. So at here, and then in I will, so here is a method and model dot attribute is the success, and then register successfully, and then we return the register. Then so I think I redirect attribute. So I add attribute dot add flat attribute here. So one more case is if, so I think string, I think customer here, I think customer, new customer equal customer service dot. So I think in the customer service I have returned the customer file by username, here, then implement methods, then we return the customer repository dot file by username here, and the out controller equal customer service dot file by username, customer DTO dot get username, and if username is customer equal null, then we buy the here, L we adding the message dot attribute. Here is the username. Here is a username have been registered, and we also return the page register. And if the customer equal null, and the customer DTO dot get password not equal customer DTO dot get password, and then use the model dot attribute password is not same here. So you can see I will see again the method register of admin controller. So I think the login controller here, if the head error, so we add attribute and username. So we return the email, so get password. So we use the check-cat exception. So for the controller always return the register, and then I push it here. So I stop the program. So redirect. So I think don't need to attribute is simple. Then so we return the here. Then because if exception exists, so the page will be I think so okay, I will put it in the check-cat exception like the login for the admin here. So I will put it in the check-cat. Check-cat exception. Yeah. So if had exception attribute error, so server have run some problem. Dot attribute customer DTO equal customer DTO. So I think new customer DTO, and then L we also push it at here to get again the customer DTO. So I think I push it is out of the if else condition. So here is a different node. I think different node at here. Then here if for the password not same. So here model dot attribute customer DTO news customer DTO. So I see the Europe here. No bin for customer service. So I think it's, I don't know how the Europe customer service. So here I forgot the annotation to inject the bin. Here I think you can see the Europe had removed. So now in the register page, here is a password name and password. So I will run the program. So you can see I make again and sign up, and then in the left the bottom of screen the URL is soap dash register. Here register name, password, verify password. So I must change. Here is the name. I think here is a first name. Here is a last name, and username. Type here is an email. First name a password, verify a password. And then for the direct to the login page is a login. Then I think import type của submit. So here has a form. TS action equal do register. Method is pass TS object equal customer DTO. And then the input here TS field equal field is a first name equal last name. TS field equal username. TS field equal password. And here now here field TS field equal replace password. So now I have so for the binding the Europe, so I will see again for the register page here. So you can see it's the same. So I copy and you again at here input form field head for the first name, for the last name, then for the username enos, for the password, then the repeat password is not. So yeah, so I think it like is sounds. So here to the register user, the div tag ts tag ts if equal has some error for some variable errors, the errors here thì p yeah ts tag equal errors. So I will copy here is the username, here is a password. So in the our controller errors password and succeed. So I think errors not as succeed. Yeah, you can see the errors here, model.attribute errors, and then I will run again. So if you have any question, please comment. So here you can see, and now so firstly customer, so I will Adam. So I will check for the binding measure message customer 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 sign up. So you can see no message have by the result. So in the child result had error, so we redirect to the register page, do the register valid. So you can the Europe is, so I think it's the same. I think for the rest of page it's the same. I think it's the same. And so it's the same. So why not do the register? So do the register. No. So if result not have error, so we return the register. The controller is the same. So I think by the customer, not new customer. Customer DTO. I think because by the customer, so Thymeleaf we receive this customer DTO and check the message. I think that, so I will rerun. Now I will rerun the register page. Here you can see the message Europe have been binding to the view, and then I click to sign up. So you can see the Europe have been binding successfully. So I think because the Instagram box had, I will delete this. And I will delete this and delete also. Then I will rerun. Again. Here is the email. You can see the message have been binding, and so here a customer password is 12345. 12345. A customer slash name, so I think Adam Jones. I sign up. So you can see register successfully. And if I sign up again, so the password 12345. 12345. The message is username has been registered. can see. So for the username have been registered and is a Europe, I think is Europe because is a Europe because and I think and customer here is a bug equal none. Yeah, you can see is a right key because you can see always register safely because the name if the password is same the verified password and then it successfully register. Now I think customer success username password is not same. So now 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here 6 7 8 9 10. You can see server run some problem. Here I think because I think if customer I think this case is not about the not to the key, so I will change L if here we copy here then in the register page, so I think one more. I think in the register page for the Europe class equal text center alert then the username text center same. Here is a alert warning. Password is the same. Text center alert warning. And the succeed is class text center and alert success. Then I rerun again. So you can see now you can see I will change the name is Charlie Putin. Here the customer is Charlie, then password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then so now you can see return. Here is a Charlie Putin 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can see password is not same. Then for the here is a customer 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Server had run some problem, so I think the password is customer known So I think we post here to this. So I think L the if customer different known, then the name have been registered. So if customer equal known, then we check the password same or not same. So I think L, not L, password not same, and then we post. So now I will rerun again to check the lab time, and continue to the other page and use the other function. Here you can see first name is Charlie Putin customer, and file number one. You see server had run some problem because customer equal known. So I think L, I post L if customer equal known. Then we check for the, then we continue check for the password. Run again one more time. I think the login controller of admin is always the same. I think so. You can see file number one. Then the rest the page Charlie Poston customer file number one. You can see. So I think you can make the right code. So I think the password, how I think we return the, so we return, I think we return the rest of the page to check, send the return register. We always return the register. Maybe duplicate code. Then if the wrong code, and then return. Skip other key and return always return. Then I think then at here, then and customer equal none. Then because we need to use a private, need to inject the bytecrypt password encoder to encode the password. Customer DTO dot set password equal password encoder dot encode customer DTO dot get password. Then you can see, so I will delete, then run the last time. I think it successfully, because if the error will return the register page should not go to other case. Yeah, Charlie Putin. Here is a Charlie Putin customer for 5 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see, so I think I think I do it for the, so why the I do all the same for the login controller of admin, but it's okay, I think, and the customer can register with the same password, same the email. So I think I will here I will delete it the last time, one more time. I think because always server RAM problem, because so I don't, so I will check again. You can see customer, I think because in the database, because we have two customer, it's the same, so I will delete one row, and then the server gets the two customer and cannot check. Here you can see the name had been registered here. So the customer 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then you can see password is not same, and then I will do the register for the, and then I will the login for you. In the login page I have put the wrong the Instagram box must the begin for the section here. Delete is here. So you can see again. So you can see here's a login page, and because it's a database, I don't encode the password, and then the the Spring cannot check. So you can see cannot check. Then so if the I will do for the config. So log is a Europe for the login page for the Europe. So div tag ts if equal Europe param Europe, and then here is a p tag username or password invalid. So I think invalid is the name or password. Here so divs, the one more div param dot logout. Here you have been logged out. Now check again. You can see customer one, two, three, four, five. You can see login. So in the admin page, so for the admin page in the login page param.europe. So I think so I think I will config again, then fail. So I think is a fail URL is zin-europe. Then I will run again. Then it's a customer gmail.com 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see because cannot check the passwords, and then I think the fail forward here is login Europe one way is Europe, and again. So I think we must push back the processing and future or success. Rerun again. So customer gmail.com. You can see the Europe's future URL. I think this is the URL, and then always is a future forward is different. I think so. So you can see customer gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5. You can see. So I will so I think we will sign up again and delete the user truncate customer to, so cannot truncate because have the foreign key. So we customer one file number one. Yeah, set up successfully. Sign in now. Customer one gmail.com. So I think because I don't make the form at here, the s action equal do. So sorry about that. Method is post name and name is username, name is password, and I delete the here. Sorry to all of you. So I don't make the form, the URL form to do the login, and then cannot check the Europe or not. Sorry about that. Here you can see one gmail.com. So you can see, in the login page. So now, so I think is the login page is the same. I think it is the same. So is the customer configuration here is a do login. So I think I push it at here, and customer input type submit equal button type submit. Then type username and password here. So you can see, I will check again. See customer, you can see here do login. So I think I will delete, then why error at here. The URL have been to login. Customer. So you can see the error here, invalid username or password, and then customer 1. So you can see the index and the customer have been logged in, and I will check. I will custom the here class equal text center alert succeed and error text center and alert I think running, and I will custom the fragment here for the sign up. So I must put an option value equal none. So ts value equal, I think here is a username and username equal null, and then we return the username text at here. If not, so we return the authentication. So in the index page for the home controller, for the index page here, we must principal if principal equal null, if means that the user have logged in, and then a session http session here session dot set attribute. Here is the username principal dot get name, and then the fragment here is session dot username and that value is here, and then I will rerun again. Then I will check again. So you can see nothing selected. So I think in the index page, is the home page. Here is the index page. I think nothing selected. So in the fragment section dot username L section dot remove attribute username. L attribute nothing. So I think is set attribute nothing. So you can see we rerun again. So you can see we check again for the index page. Nothing. Sign and sign up and sign. So customer one login and nothing selected. So I think I will change fragment at here. Section negative text. Then yeah, you can see the customer one at here and sign in and sign up. So here TS if equal section dot username. So we ask the option here is a value is I will copy is a logout option is logout, and then you can sign up equal none. So if the username equal null, and then we can sign and different null, and then you can log out and sign up for other account. So I will check again. So you can see nothing selected. So nothing selected. Can log out I think equal null, you cannot sign in. That not different node. Think here is sign in customer one. Here you can. So because the home controller is always by the section, so if the principal unknown, so we miss the remove attribute is username. So yeah, so you can see so I think this video is quite long. So if you have any problem, please comment and I will support for you. So in this video I have user sign up, register for customer for the logout page. Then so I think here is for the logout page, and for the logout page for the login page, and I have do the by the username to the select option. So I think this video is stop now, and in the next video I have do the function add to cart, and if you have any problem, let me, and you can subscribe and like for my video, and it is a effort to make me do some more video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.